This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Move-in ready, finally a primary bedroom where the king-size bed doesn't eat up the room. 2 walk-in closets, jetted tub, stand-alone shower and motion-sensored lights. Open floor plan great for entertaining with separate dining room with elegant wainscoting, family room and butler's pantry. Kitchen features lots of soft close cabinets and drawers. All appliances / washer and dryer convey as is. Lovely backyard, great for fire pit season. No HOA or flood insurance required. Properties are still flying quickly, so move fast and grab the best house on the block. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.